3 ways to kill your debt and buy a home. If debt is blocking you from buying a home, here's what you need to do. First, understand that a high debt to income ratio, or DTI, is one of the biggest reasons people struggle to qualify for a mortgage. Lenders usually want to see your DTI below 45%, which means your monthly debt payments, including your potential mortgage, shouldn't exceed 45% of your monthly income. So here's how to fix your debt before you buy. 1. Pay down high interest debt first. This reduces your overall DTI and boosts your credit score, making you more attractive to lenders. Think of it like spring cleaning for your finances, except instead of throwing out mismatched socks, you're tossing interest rates that belong in the trash. Tools like debt.com can help you organize a payoff strategy. 2. Consolidate multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your monthly payments and lower your overall debt burden. Basically, fewer bills, fewer headaches, and less chance of accidentally Venmoing your dog groomer instead of your lender. Again. 3. Avoid opening new debt like car loans, credit cards, personal loans, or even buy now, pay later accounts. Taking on new debt can hurt your financial position right before buying a home. And let's be honest, do you really need another air fryer? Every dollar you spend on debt is a dollar you can't spend on a mortgage. You can win when the market is changing. We can show you how. I'm Emily Carroll Ingram. I lead a team providing home loans throughout the Pacific Northwest. Call, text, or visit emilycarroll.com if you're ready to get started.